그래서 이렇게 잘라가지고 반반 이렇게 쓰면 이게 너무 얇아가지고 제가 원래 치즈 넣었던 건 이거에 2배, 한 2.5배는 더 되거든요. 3배 정도 두꺼운 것 같아요. 이거보다는. 치즈가 너무 작으니까 이거를 3등분을 이렇게 해가지고 가로로 이렇게 꽂아서 한번 써보려고요.
There you go.
Oh, what's the malanda?
It's wet.
Oh,
It's wet.
Yeah.
Rain. He sold a lot of avocados, but not many strawberries. At least he
I
sold.
said I've got this.
At least he sold something.
Malanda is quite wet, many
All the time.
Yeah. Hope you have a good day.
Yeah, he's all right.
Can I get the original Korean sweet chili?
One original?
Yeah, thank you. Do you have a sauce?
Yes, sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
No.
G'day. Sweet chili with no mayo.
Yeah. With sweet chili, no mayo, on card.
Yeah. And just a plain one by itself.
Yeah. Put in the bag.
It should be alright.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Hello. What would you like to have? Have a look.
Please grab the original Korean one, please.
One original, sure. Iwa, thank you very much. Wet rice. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too.
Morning. Good. How are you?
You by yourself today or no? Kids on a walk.
Today I'm supposed to sell the candle, and I prep everything.
Yeah.
And this morning we almost get here. I realized that I didn't bring the skewer.
Oh no. Has he come back to get them?
Hello.
Can I please get the sweet chili?
One original, sure. Beautiful weather today, isn't it?
Would you have a bag or no?
A bike?
A packet to put it in?
Ah, yes, a bag, yes, sure.
Thank you. I'm taking it home.
Yes, sure. Already finished the
I
shopping?
like it whenever I go home and then when I eat it, it's all messy.
Oh,
And
you can't.
no one can see me. Just on my card.
Yep. $12. Thank you very much. You can relax and eat at home.
Yes.
Thank you.
See you.
Yeah, I want to talk to you, so. See you later.
안녕하세요 여러분은 양조바라 마켓에 왔습니다. 응? 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 야포 오봉.
Yeah, we can change the angle, but then people are gonna have lumpong.
What's your best seller?
All of them. If you've not tried before, you could sweet garlic soy or original. So that's Korean sweet chili. Yep. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
Can I just get the original one, please?
One original.
Yeah, that's all.
Thank you very much. Enjoy. Thanks, eh? Good morning.
Guys, get the original, please.
One original.
Yeah. Two? Oh, sorry, two
Two-
original.
two
plain
original.
As well.
Told you was going to do that.
Yeah, I forgot. Been busy today?
Yes. Yes.
Good. It's good.
Morning.
Morning.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so
Enjoy.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
weekend.
See ya.
Hello again, how are you? Saw you a couple of weeks ago.
There you go.
Good, thanks. Yourself?
My son-in-law Davey from Sydney sent us up here.
Ah.
So look out for the stall. So look
Ah.
on the Facebook page. or
Ah,
something.
yes, yes, yes.
He said you'd be here. So
No, we're here. Yeah. Thanks. eh? Hello.
May I please get two of your sweet garlic soy sauce?
Two sweet garlic soy.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Hello. Good, thanks. Yourself?
Very well, thank you. Maybe please get one honey butter cheese
Mm-hmm.
and one of the original, please.
And one original. Hello.
That one's not too spicy.
Not too spicy, no.
Here you are. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's $12, please.
Here you are. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello.
Okay.
How you going?
Good. Yourself?
Got your K-Dogs?
Yes.
I'm going to get one. I've had a K-Dog for a long time. Keep missing them.
We did the same for 9 months.
We're busy, I think.
Hopefully not too busy. Oh,
Yeah, you want to sell here?
oh, it's good. Yeah. But we need time to prepare, you know. For
Yeah. I need a sleep in, that's what I need.
same. Thanks, David.
Thanks,
David.
Enjoy.
Hello. Hey mate, can I just get just a plain one?
A plain K-Dog?
Yeah.
That's $8, please.
Or like just one of them ones there?
This one or this one?
No, just
chicken skewer, that's
Yeah, yeah.
$12. Chicken skewer, yep.
Yeah.
So no sauces on it.
Nah, no sauce.
Do you have a store here? Do you have a store here?
No.
No, just come early.
Yeah.
Would you like to put in?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Hello.
The sweet garlic Has it got chili in it?
No, it doesn't.
I have one of those things.
Right, thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.
G'day, g'day.
Hi.
Could I please grab one of the sweet chili original
Yep.
Korean, the sweet garlic and soy sauce? Did you want it with potato? I'll grab a K-Dog with potato, please.
One with potato. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're right, man. They're always good.
Another one?
No, not yet.
No, different.
Can I have a half serve of the tteokbokki?
Half serve of tteokbokki. Thank you very much. Oh, that's all.
Today I make it a little less spicier for you.
Did you?
Yes.
Sorry.
No worries. Take it home or
We'll probably eat it here, but it's just, yeah, I've only got the 2 hands, but that'll be, yeah.
I figure it's cold enough today that I'll be able to handle
Thank you
things.
very much.
Thank you very much. Would you like a spoon?
Yes, please.
You guys do the best food always.
Thank you.
oh,
Thanks,
thank
eh?
you so much.
No
Have
worries.
a wonderful weekend.
Hey, you too. See you later.
See ya.
Quite a unique taste, isn't it?
It is. The flavour is just
You
amazing.
can't really, yeah.
It is less spicy, but I'll see how far I can get through.
Maybe put a little bit of water in it otherwise.
Thank you very much.
Gets me like I'm going to fill up with the burn for the flavour.
Thank you. Probably need to try it. Yeah, I need to try it.
You can try this on the cheese. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
원 양념,
양념, yeah.
원 마늘.
마늘, yeah.
I got this one. I can carry my one. This one.
Honey butter chicken.
Honey butter.
One. Mix it up.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Thank you. Which one?
이거 honey butter garlic soy.
이거
감사합니다.
저 구독자거든요. 현재소. 네네.
감사합니다.
네. 감사합니다. 응원해요. 맛있게 드세요. 하세요.
Hello, good. Thanks. Yourself?
Good, thank you. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's the
Tteokbokki.
yes, please. Can we get one of those?
One tteokbokki. Yep.
And could we also get one of the K-dogs with the potatoes, please? Thank you so much.
원 떡볶이.
Hello.
Hello, can I get a honey butter cheese and is it the one with the potato one?
Yes.
I'll get one of those. Thanks.
원 honey butter cheese. Thank you very much. I want potato too.
That's all right.
Chicken skewer, thank you. The sweet chili.
Sweet chili, an original.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello. Tteokbokki.
One original. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll put it in
Proper. You can go even further.
That's the prizes there. You get an infinite amount of turns, so when you put it in, put these.
you get a more of the cheesy factor.
플레이버 와이즈 굿 아니야 이거?
Keep trying until you get one.
여보.
mate.
Hello. Good, thanks. Yourself?
Good. Can I just get the original?
One original.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. See you later.
I'm eating finally get one again.
One garlic soy?
It's funny when people know your order. Oh, look at your t-shirts.
Yes, the new.
Oh, they're great.
In the bag?
No, I'll
You're
eat
having
it
now?
Thank you very much.
They're just the best. I was so disappointed last time when I was here and you're all sold
All
out.
right, yeah, the
So I had to make sure I got here early.
earlier.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a
Enjoy.
good weekend. Hello. Yeah, what would you like to have? Want tteokbokki? Yeah, sure.
And a honey butter cheese.
And a honey butter cheese.
You should come to Mariba Market. You should come to Mariba Market.
Need another license. So the Tablelands and the Mariba don't really, they need to work together.
Yeah. They used to be combined, eh?
They did.
Mariba.
They did.
Then, yeah, bugger, eh? Otherwise, you should be good at Mariba.
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much.
Thanks,
Enjoy. Thank you. One tteokbokki?
Here, take some spoons if you need. Thank you very much.
Hey,
Hi. Good, thanks. Yourself?
Yeah, good. Can I just get original Korean sweet chili? Man.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Cheers.
Have a good day.
You too.
Can I grab one of the potato?
Potato K-dogs?
Thanks. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Enjoy. Thank you very much.
Can I please grab one of the Korean sweet chili?
One original?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
What's the name?
They've still got cheese and sausage inside, but
What cheese and sausage?
with potato on the outside or without?
Yeah, with the potato.
With potato?
That looks pretty good.
Thanks,
Thank
mate.
you.
Thanks, mate.
See ya. Hello.
Can I get a fire spicy thing?
One fire spicy.
Which one? Potatoes?
Potato.
Potato.
Have a good weekend.
See ya.
Can we just get one of the potato please?
One potato K-dog.
Is that, yeah?
Oh,
perfect. Thank you
Thank
so
you very
much.
much.
Hello. Can I please get one of the potato corn dogs?
One potato.
Here you are. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Hello, back again.
Yeah, go get another one of those.
Another one?
Yeah, they're really good.
It's $12.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
What's this one?
Honey butter cheese powder.
No.
This is what we usually get. Or did
What's
you want
this one? Is that the same with the... Yeah.
Yep, can I please get 2 of the sweet garlic soy?
2 sweet garlic soy.
Yeah, and 1 of the... yeah, that's a sweet chili one. And a sweet chili one. With
And
the
1 sweet chili.
Yes, thank you.
Hi, can I get the original Korean sweet chili and a potato K-dog?
And a potato K-dog. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
Good morning, beautiful people. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Can we get one original,
Mm-hmm.
one tapioca?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I have the fire
Fire spicy.
Didn't see you last for the market.
We missed that one,
We
I
missed
think.
it. We
Yeah.
missed.
Yeah. Or we either missed it or we missed you. Sometimes you finish early.
It's Kaido.
30.
It's Korean style kondo.
Hot dog, hot dog.
Yes,
yeah,
the
hot dog.
yes.
The hot dog, babe.
Looks very nice.
Oh, you been in holiday, yeah? Now?
Not for a long time.
Or you need to go in holiday?
Sometime this year.
You think we can stay at that tables there? We are, to use the table
Yeah,
there?
you can-
It's
you can.
okay, yeah?
Yeah, that is
Thank
for
you.
the market.
Yeah. That's why I ask. I don't want to go in
Someone's-
someone.
Yeah, that's right.
Would you like a lid on this? Or?
No.
Yes, please,
Yeah?
because we might take it home. We normally don't finish all.
See you next time, Tolga. Yeah, what's next one?
Tolga.
Yes.
Hello.
2 weeks later.
Tteokbokki. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Thank you.
Hey mate, can I get a honey butter cheese and a fire spicy?
One fire spicy, one honey butter.
The fire spicy.
One fire spicy.
Sure.
Give you a number. Thank you. Hello.
Get a $10 K-dog, thanks.
With potato? Yep.
Great, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Fire spicy? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Sweet garlic soy, 2 of them.
2.
Thank you very much.
Hey, bud.
Hello.
What do you want?
And chickens.
Original
I'll try the sweet garlic
and
soy
one
sauce.
sweet garlic soy.
Can I get just a plain corned?
Plain one? Yeah. Hello.
Please get a sweet chili chicken skewer, please. Hi.
Hello.
Can I have the one, please?
One original. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Honey butter?
One honey butter? Sure.
Hello.
How you going?
Good, thanks. Yourself?
Good. 3 chicken skewers, please.
Which flavour?
Sweet garlic soy sauce, I think.
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good weekend.
Thanks.
Hello.
How are you going?
Good, thanks. Yourself?
Yeah, good, thank you. Can I get 2 of your Korean sweet chilies, please?
Should be ready in a second.
No worries, thank you.
Thank you.
Take an original.
Original?
I'll come back and do some.
No worries. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Sorry, yours already.
Thank you.
That's $12, please. Sorry. Thank you very much. Yes, here's yours. $8 change. Thank you very much.
Could I have a honey butter cheese, please?
Honey butter cheese. It'll be about a 5-minute wait. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Hello.
Can I get 1 K-dog with potatoes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's all today. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much. How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you both?
Yeah, not too bad.
Please order a honey butter cheese, potato K-dog.
Potato K-dog?
Can I please get a sweet garlic soy sauce?
Mm-hmm. How long, Miranda?
1 minute. Hello.
Hello.
Can I grab a sweet garlic soy sauce, please?
That's $12.
Thank you.